Come back. Can't really tell. You hide it well. You ready? Let's see how you do.
Okay.
All right, good. Walk down here. That's just the low back. We haven't even gone to the hip yet.
Oh, wow.
What? Tracy, what are you feeling?
Well, there's no tightness in my back.
You've had that for the last few months or years? Yes or no? Yeah. It's pretty cool, isn't it?
Sorry.
That's all right.
Yeah, we have a strict policy. If anyone cries, everybody else cries. Way to go, Dr. Matt. Yes.
Listen,
Crying behind the camera.
Tomas said to me, why do you do this? Why do you go all over? Why are you in Vancouver? Why are you in Portland? Why are you... I'm like, because this thing is so transformational. And it, one person, that's it.
That's crazy, because I guess I don't realize how much pain I'm in when I walk.
Yeah. People don't have to live in pain. They don't have to take meds and things like that. Wait till we get in this hip now. I mean, you're gonna see a huge difference. So we need a pillow.
A pillow?
We're good.
All right.
So this is after we worked on the quad
Femur head.
and
The faux femur head. The fake femur
cool.
head.
Awesome.